Happy December 21st. This is Thursday. How you guys doing? It's close to Christmas. I have an unboxing for you. I've been eyeing these shoes for a long time, and I keep putting them in my cart, and then I don't get them. But you know what? I decided to get them. I got these off of footlocker.com, and I think Nike.com did not have my size. So these are women's Nike Dunk Low Premium, and it's Rush Fuchsia. Yeah, Rush Fuchsia. Say that 5 times fast. There you go. Size 8. And Nike box. These came really fast. I ordered them on the weekend and I got them really quick. So they had these in a pink, which I think was a previous shoe of this, and I could have got them on eBay. No other store had them, but I went ahead and got this color because it is kind of different. There you go. I thought these would look so cute with jeans. I have my Jordans, my black Jordans with the red stripe, but they are really, really stiff. I mean, I feel like I'm walking like a baby when I wear those shoes. The tongue is really padded. Feels nice. They are a suede, as you can see. I think I have my finger on them. Yes, my sink sounds goofy because I'm washing my jeans right now, and I don't know what's wrong with the water, the city pipes or whatever, but it does that every time I wash clothes. There's a Nike thing up there. These, I tried them on. I just tried them on with my work clothes, and they fit fine. They totally fit, true to size. This is the one I tried on. That's why I don't have the laces. But this is the other shoe. I'm not going to spray anything on here to keep them clean. I'm just going to leave them the way they are, and you know how I am. I'm careful all the time. So, yep. There you go. These are the shoes. All right. I really like them. I have another unboxing for you. It's not shoes. It's not shoes. But I'm going to do it when I have some more time. And then I ordered something else, and it's at work. I hadn't brought it home yet because I brought home a bunch of boxes tonight. I need to wrap some more gifts and stuff. So my hands were too full to bring all my stuff home. All right, that's all I got. It was a really quick unboxing, really quick video. Those are really cute shoes. I'm going to be wearing them with my jeans pretty much a lot, I think, most of the time. Except I'm not going to wear them when it's wet. I don't wear my good shoes ever when it's wet out, that kind of stuff. So, thank you for watching. And a couple more days, we got Christmas Eve and we got Christmas. So, I will catch you guys later.